फुडारांतल्या उदकाच्या अरिश्ट टाळपा खातीर गोंयांतल्या उदका स्रोतांचो इबार बंद करून तांचें संवर्धन करपाचें आवाहन जागतीक उदका दिसा निमतान गोवा कॅनाचे रोलंड मार्टिन्स हांणी केलां। प्रत्येकान आपल्यो बांयो, तळी, न्हंयो असल्या गोड्या उदकाचे स्रोत सांबाळपा खातीर प्रयत्न करपाक जाय अशें तांणी म्हळां।
Friends, today is World Water Day. It's a great opportunity for us consumers to start thinking as to what can be done. We from Goa can have a message for consumers of Goa. While we have rights as consumers, we also have responsibilities. The time has come for us to take action to stop the destruction of the fresh water sources as well as the pollution that is taking place there. Dumping of waste, releasing of effluent can be seen all over the state of Goa. Many consumers think as to what can I do? But if you really look at the details of it, every consumer can act. Whether it's from in our housing societies, in our villages, in our wards, we can start off by first activating the village water and sanitation committees in our panchayats. More than that, we can start taking steps to see that all our wells in our villages are maintained. And if there is a need of an assistance for the same, then we can always approach the Water Resources Department for this purpose. It's important for consumers to get proactive and file complaints against those who are the cause of this destruction and pollution of our fresh water sources, whether it's springs, lakes, rivers, or our waterways. It's important for consumers to be proactive, and this we can do if we start getting organized.